with the Cloudy Bay well lights. They are well made, but compared to, this is the unique that I'm replacing, giant mega sleeve, goes like that in the ground. You can see how big, and very heavy and heavy duty. All this brass, and supposed to be long lasting. You can see obviously the screws to undo them to replace the lamp bulbs inside, but the problem is if they get wet, it all rusted out. So I could probably try to like mess with it and clean it up and whatever, but you know, then you have like a used, I don't know, it probably would last longer, but then the bulbs would go out. Anyway, these were a far cheaper option, the Cloudy Bay well light replacement. I don't know if the visual is all that much more like esteemed or estate worthy or something, side by side with the unique lighting, which these are crazy expensive, by the way. Probably one of these is the cost of a whole 6 of these Cloudy Bay ones. But so then when they sit in this kind of cheap and cheesy plastic base, as compared to like this little cup replaces that enormous thing, so it's like twice as big or half as tall. But it has options for where the wire can go in. Oh, and it comes with wire nuts. Those just fell out of there, so that's handy. Are they silicone filled? No. So you'd have to silicone fill them or get water resistant. Are they? Oh, they are actually. Sorry, this is my first time seeing these. So you can tell by looking at them that it has the little plastic teeth in there it'll grip the wires that are twisted together, and then the silicone will seal it so it's waterproof. So anyway, back to the program here. So it has the 2 wires attached, and they're water sealed on that side. And so when you connect them, you'd put the wire through your lighting wire, and then you'd thread the nuts inside there, and then trying to do this with one hand, then it just sits in the little cup and a lot easier to dig into the ground. It's going to be more mobile, it's going to move around more than the Mega Giant here. So if that's an issue, you have soft soil, then that would be a consideration to either strap a rebar pounded down in the ground to it to keep it stable. But there you go, the Cloudy Bay well light compared to the unique